What's up, YouTube? I haven't been here in a while, just showing you guys the bikes real quick. This is the 2023 Police RoadKing with all the upgrades done to it. It was a plain Police Road Glide. Check out some of the earlier episodes if you're not familiar with this channel. And you can see the entire build being done within just a short time. I think this one was like 2 to 3 months, or I don't know, 3 to 4, but you can see all that's on it. And the other police build was this 2024 Police Road Glide, and that was just done recently. This was a 7-day build, and this one has everything that you see on it as well. They are actually almost twin bikes with all the engine work as far as like the chroming and stuff is concerned. This seat is actually going to be going on that bike, and everything else is similar except for this one has different custom dynamic lights that one obviously doesn't have, and the different wheels. So these have the chrome Prodigy wheels, and the other one has the DNA twisted spoke wheels. Both have long bags, the same exact outfit. They're both long saddlebags and long fenders from Advanblack. This tour pack will fit on the back of there when I don't want to have it on, so the rear of this will look exactly like that when I don't have the tour pack on. I ordered another Lepera seat, which is similar, but it's actually wider, and this is the Lepera up front, and what it does is it pushes the seat 2 inches up further on the tank. And then this has a little swoop on the back. I think it's called a tail whip or something like that, I can't remember, but it's the Lepera seat, and I love it. Turn this thing off. So this has been upgraded with the CVO gauges, the gloss interfering, and all the CVO gauges on the left and right. It's got a stereo system upgrade, heated grips. These are the Thrashin T-bars with the ArlenNess 10-inch risers and triple tree. The forks have been upgraded to the all chrome forks, and also the chrome calipers, chrome master cylinders. And this all has all the Harley-Davidson Empire Collection accessories that include the Empire Collection Harley-Davidson floorboards, front and rear, also brake pedal and highway pegs. So it's got the Screaming Eagle exhaust on both bikes, and this is the ArlenNess wraparound front fender. These are the custom dynamics lights that go right there, custom dynamics lights there, and as you can see, the little small custom dynamics light on the side, and also the lights on the lower fairings. I just recently added the hand guards on there. So far I like them. And this also has 6 speakers. You have the speakers in the lower, 2 up top as they come with, and then I added speakers to the saddlebags, as well as added the lower so the speakers can go in. So this also has the Empire Collection shifters on this side. It's got the Harley-Davidson Shifter Link, and it has the derby cover, which is Harley-Davidson, and it's the Empire Collection derby cover. It has a chrome heat shield on the side. I already showed you the Lepera seat, and the Lepera backrest. Well, it's a backrest that is going to match this stitching design, because I haven't found a Lepera backrest for the Chop Tour Pack. On the rear, you have the custom dynamics Tour Pack light, and you have the custom dynamics streamline lights on the side, and the lights that are on here are by Advanblack, which are the ones that come with that fender. And the exhaust is the Tab 50 cal in chrome. Fits real nice in there. Of course, you've seen that. That was on the RoadKing. and I made all the reflectors to be grayed out or blacked out, and the reflectors were purchased on Amazon. It's got the badging for the 2024 Road Glide, because this is a 2024 Road Glide, and I have the ArlenNess gas cap with the Advanblack center console. And so this bike is loaded, and those fork sliders are chrome. The brand is, I'm not sure the brand of those. I got them on Amazon, and the chrome caps for the wheels are from HarleyDavidson. And everybody asked me about these rotors. Those chrome rotors were sold on DNA as well. So this has the upswept exhaust by Shark Roads. It's the fishtail exhaust. And what I did for this rear fender is I had the Advanblack rear fender, but I added this chrome piece on there from the original housing of the original fairing that was on here to keep it with the traditional look that it had, while adding some new style appeal to it. So these bags and fenders are the same as on the other bike, and all the chrome parts that you see in here on both bikes are the Kuryakyn chrome pieces. That's the hardest piece to get on right there. This has the top cover, transmission top cover by Kuryakyn. On the other bike, that has the one by Trask, which actually has a feature on there where it does some air venting and stuff like that. And same exact Screaming Eagle system. Both of them have the Bluetooth tuner by Harley-Davidson, and all the same chrome kids. These are the Carlini 18-inch Gangster 8 bars, and I'm gonna turn these lights off, get around the front so we can see. Flush mount caps. This is the gauge by Harley-Davidson. This didn't come on there. The original one had a speedometer gauge right here, and this one was added on. You could change all the colors and stuff, and the flush mount caps, you can see that, you know, you can read with the 2 dots that there's not a lot of gas in there. So I should have put heated grips on here, but I didn't, because I didn't plan on riding in the winter, which it's December and I'm riding. So I did order different badging for the tank. So that should be in any day now. I went on and ordered like the kind that's the CVO emblem. I tried not to do it because everybody has that same one. And, you know, I was like, but I ordered it because it's like chrome on chrome, and it should be looking pretty good. So on this bike, I changed out the headlights and all the side lights, and I got the tinted lights for the side markers. And I need somebody who builds Viklas or does Vikla builds or collects them to tell me about how to get this either purchased so that I purchase it long enough so it closes, what brand you use or whatever. This is as tight as I can get it, and these other ones don't close all the way as well. I don't like that, but I have seen them on bikes, on Viklas, that actually do close. And I got my wires kind of dangly here. I know sometimes people get them nice and tight, or they run them actually through the bars, but just kind of hit in the comments if you do Vikla builds and you know what I'm talking about, how to correct that, because this is my first Vikla build. So I didn't change the derby cover out on this one yet, but I plan to. I mean, that's chrome still, but I want to take that 114 badging off, just put a plain chrome one like on the other bike. And I need to get a better center stand, and I need to get a better, faster air ride suspension. And so that's, you know, coming later on down the road. For this bike still, I plan on adding the Olin suspension on the rear. And I like that because I like the cool looking tanks on the back. So whenever I take the tour pack off, you can see those. I know some people are gonna say, man, it's gonna give a better ride, but these bikes came with upgraded suspension because they were the police edition bikes. So I really don't need it. And I don't know if you can see in there because it's so dark, but that's the Trask it's called a transmission top cover, and it has a vent hose that goes up and around, and it's supposed to help and stop blow by. So yep. So all right guys, that's gonna do it for this episode of ChrisGlides. Just giving you an update on what I've been doing with these bikes. And yep, I'm still riding and still adding on parts and doing different things to these bikes. I just want to wish you guys happy holidays, and y'all will see me out here on the road still making videos and doing stuff real soon. But oh yeah, I'm gonna be making another video out of the country here in about, well, I ain't gonna tell you when, but I'm gonna be making another video pretty soon. So stay tuned for that travel video, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.